In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Affirm not eligible. So let's get started. Now, if you're getting this error when trying to use Affirm at checkout, it usually means Affirm can't improve the purchase right now. But there are several fixes and reasons behind it, okay? So let's get started. Now, first of all, we're going to be looking at why does this not eligible happen, okay? So these are the few reasons. The merchant doesn't support Affirm, your purchase amount is too low or too high, your credit worthiness score isn't approved, Affirm can't verify your identity, you have too many recent Affirm requests, and lastly that your location or IP doesn't match billing info. Now, how can we fix these issues? Okay, so the first issue is you have to confirm the store supports Affirm. So now, not all stores let you use Affirm, so you have to check the retailer's payment page for Affirm logos. Look for Affirm checkout option before payment. If the store doesn't show Affirm, you can't use it there. Then obviously check your purchase amount. Now, Affirm has minimum and maximum limits. Now, sometimes it's too low, so some retailers don't allow Affirm for small purchases, and sometimes the purchase limit, the product might be too expensive, which exceeds Affirm's limit for the product or store. Now, sometimes try increasing the cart value when, for example, you feel like it's such a low amount, or try removing extra items when the price is too high. Then make sure that your info matches. Now, Affirm checks name, address, phone number, email. So make sure your billing info exactly matches what's on file with your bank. If it doesn't match, then Affirm may decline eligibility. Then obviously you have to update the Affirm app. So if you're using the app during checkout, go to App Store or your Google Play, update Affirm, because older versions sometimes fail identity verification. Then try using a different email. Now sometimes Affirm relies on your email reputation for approval. Try a different email that you regularly use and avoid temporarily throwaway emails. Then wait and try again later. Now Affirm may decline you if you requested checks too often. Their system is busy, because sometimes they could be busy, so usually wait like 24 to 48 hours and then retry once again. Then check your location. Now Affirm usually works only in supported countries, for example US and Canada. Now if your IP location doesn't match a billing address, eligibility can fail. So make sure that you have no VPN and proxy on, and make sure that you're using your real locations, because obviously using VPN changes your location. Then obviously you can go ahead and try using a different browser. For example, right now I'm on Brave. Just go ahead and open Google and try there. Now, if nothing works, then you can just open their app or website and then chat with the customer support and then specifically ask them that why was my purchase not eligible, because they often tell you the exact reason. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.